Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to sort by name in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to sort by name. Now click on the column containing the name that you want to sort. The entire column will be highlighted. Now go to the data menu at the top of your screen. In the data menu, select Sort Sheet. Now you can choose to sort A to G for ascending order or G to A for descending order. Now click on. That's it. You have learned how to sort by name in Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.